To preserve battery life and health in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Now in the battery options, we'll find the exact setting that helps us to maintain our battery health. So click on battery protection right here, and then there's those three options below. Now, first one is charge fully, which will charge your device to 100% battery each time you're gonna charge it. And this offers no protection for your battery health, so if you want to protect it, either go for battery protection, which will extend your battery life, and your device will always stop charging at 80% of a battery, and it will only charge fully on a scheduled basis. Then there's the smart charging, which if you're charging your device on a regular basis, like when you're sleeping, then it will work great. But if you're not charging your device overnight, usually, then I would not recommend to enable this option. What it does is basically your phone will learn your patterns for charging, and that way your phone will charge to 80% of battery during night, and then right before you're gonna wake up, it will learn that pattern and charge back to 100%. And this is a great way to maintain your battery health if you want to care for it. And that is basically everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.